Hello Corvette friends. Some of you might be shopping for these air intakes for your C5 Corvette. We have one of them here, so I was just going to show you in the detail how they look. This is basically the entire kit as it comes in the box. I will try to show you all those different angles. This is the hardware which comes with those kits. If I'm correct, this kit fits on the 97 all the way up to 2000 C5 Corvettes. I believe those filters needs to be oiled for the correct function. Therefore we will not use it in our cars because we don't want to have any oil on the MUF sensor. So I hope it could be helpful for you when you are shopping on eBay or elsewhere and you see only the pictures. Here you go. C5 air intake. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos. They are coming very soon. Have a nice day.